Good morning students, welcome back to our tax classes. Page number 249, problem number 13. So this problem we have to find out business income of Mr. X. Okay, in all the problems we are saying Mr. X. If you want you can write any name doesn't matter. Okay, so from the profit and loss account of Mr. X for the year ending 31st March 2020, find out his business income. So he has given profit and loss account of Mr. X and he is asking you to find out his business income for March 31st 2020. Okay, so the information is given. So we know there are some expenses which are not related to business and some expenses which are personal that we have to add back, and here are we some incomes that we have that are not business incomes. Okay, and there are some personal incomes also that we have to deduct. Let us start what all expenses are allowed and the expenses which are not allowed, and we know which are the expenses which are not allowed that we have to add back. Okay, so first is saying office expense allowed, general expenses allowed, interest on capital allowed, interest on loan is allowed, interest on capital not allowed, audit fees allowed, rent allowed, income tax not allowed, charity not allowed, legal expenses we have to see, compensation to worker allowed, wealth tax not allowed, sales tax allowed. Okay, so these are the expenses which are allowed and not allowed. Then again we are having gross profit, net interest on bank deposits not allowed. Then again discount is allowed, sundry receipts allowed, bad debts recovered allowed, refund of sales tax allowed, dividend not allowed. So two incomes are not allowed. Okay, so what is the income? Interest on bank deposits and dividend. Again what he is saying? He is saying general expenses include the purchase of office equipment costing rupees 8,000. So in this general expenses we are having here general expenses rupees 10,000. From that 10,000, 8,000 is related to office equipment costing. Office equipment means what? They are purchasing some asset. So 8,000 is not allowed. From general expenses 10,000, 8,000 is not allowed because they are incurring capital expenditure. Okay, next legal expenses are in relation to income tax proceedings. Okay, income tax proceedings. He's saying legal expenses and proceeding to legal. Legal means what we are doing? We are incurring expenditure for tax purpose. So okay, next we are having next rent includes 10,000 paid as rent of the house in which the assessee lives. There is personal rent, so he is paying the rent of the building which he is staying. The actual total rent of the business is 20,000. From that he is staying in a house where he is paying 10,000 rent. So 10,000 is not allowed. Depreciation on all amounts assets to rupees 14,000. So we have to charge depreciation 14,000. Sales tax was paid in relation to 2018 and 19. Tax is paid previous year, no issues. We can pay tax of previous year also. Okay, so we have to solve this problem. It's very easy. The new points are what? These are adjustments are new. We know rent is included of SSC that we have to add back. Depreciation we know. Sales tax any year he pays sales tax, that is allowable expense. General expenses of office equipments are included, that you have to take out. That office equipment is what? They are purchasing capital asset or capital expenditure they are doing. That capital expenditure should not be recorded in revenue expenditure. Profit and loss account, debit side we write all revenue expenditure. Okay, which we do again and again. That expenditure is called capital expenditure. Okay, when we purchase fixed asset, that is the expenditure we done only once in the business, only for 5 years or 10 years. Every 10 years once we do that expense, and every year we do expenses, that is called revenue expenditure. Being account students, you should know what is the difference between revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. Okay, next legal expenses are collection to related to legal income tax provisions, income tax proceedings. Okay, we'll get that. So this is about the problem. We have to solve it. It's very easy. We'll solve this problem now. So I have prepared a format. Now we'll write heading computation of business income of Mr. X. Mr. X for the AY 2020-21. Okay, so we'll write particulars and 2 columns, amount 2 columns. First we'll write net profit as per profit and loss account. profit and loss account. So net profit as per profit and loss account is 4,13,000. So we will write outer column 4,13,000. Next, after that we have to add inadmissible expenses, means the expenses which are not allowed. So under this first one we are having general expenses. See, according to the adjustments we go. Adjustments we are having for general expenses. I'll put a dot. We have adjustment for rent, adjustment for legal expenses not required. Rent we done, depreciation is there separate, sales tax. Okay, two adjustments we are having. So first I'm writing general expenses. In general expenses, general expenses, one capital expenditure is included. Which expense is included? Capital expenditure, that is office equipment. Okay, they are buying asset, so assets are not recorded here. Assets we have to record in balance sheet, not in profit and loss account. Next, after that what we are having, interest on capital is not allowed. That is 15,000. That is the owner's income, that is interest on capital. How much is interest on capital? 15,000. Okay. Next, audit fees is required. Rent also there. Rent total is 20,000. From that 10,000 is staying in that house, so he is paying his own rent. Personal expense is paying. Okay, total is paying 20. From 20, 10 is business and 10 is his personal rent where he is staying. No, we should not take. Income tax rupees 6,000. Tax is also not considered. That is income tax related to his own income. 6,000 done. After that what we are having, charity. Again charity is not there. Charity should not be considered. Charity is 4,000. After that we are having legal expenses, compensation to worker, wealth tax. Wealth tax is on the wealth of the assessee. Okay, the person who is doing this business, on his wealth he is paying tax, that is 10,000. After wealth tax we are having sales tax 8,000. Okay. Oh sorry, sales tax are included. Sales tax, business sales tax, we have to take that. Okay, don't do mistake. So we'll do addition. Sales tax is in the business income. On business sales we are doing, right? So I have to include that. My mistake. 10, 6, 4, 10. 53,000 we are getting total expenses which are not allowed. Now we do total plus 4,13,000, getting 4,66,000. Now what we have to do? We have to deduct expenses which are not charged to profit and loss account. Expenses not charged to P&L account, profit and loss account. Okay, so in that one we are having, that is depreciation 14,000. So I'm writing depreciation, that is not charged in profit and loss account. The depreciation is 14,000. So I'm writing here 14,000. Okay, next less non-business income. You can write non-business income, the incomes which are not of business. Okay, first one we are having here, interest on bank deposits. Interest on bank deposits is 40,000. Interest on bank deposits 40,000. Okay, after that we are having we can deduct now. Oh, one more income we are having, this dividend income 10,000. Dividend income 10,000. Now we have to add 40,000 plus 10,000 and 14,000. We are getting 64,000. So from this, if you want, you can deduct here also. See, from 4,66,000 you deduct this depreciation, you get 4,58,600. Wait. 4,66,000 minus 14,000. You get 4,52,000. Yes. 4,52,000. From 4,52,000 again deduct 50,000. You get 4,02,000 as your business income. Is 4,000. Okay. So the expenses which I have written here that are not charged, the expenses which are not charged to profit loss account, that are deducted 4,66,000 minus 14,000. So then non-business income which are not related to business, the incomes which are not related to business, that called as non-business income, that you have to deduct. Okay, so we got 4,02,000 as business income. Okay, it's very easy. Let us do one more question on page number 231. The question is 10th one.